Welcome to COIT, your air duct system cleaning specialist. We know that regular cleaning of your home's air distribution system is an important step toward ridding your home of harmful contaminants and improving your indoor air quality. Think of it this way. Your air ducts, blower, and air return act as the respiratory system of your home, continually recirculating the air that's inside your house. As dust and dirt collect in your home, they are picked up by the system and carried into every room throughout your entire living space. Your HVAC, heating, ventilation, and cooling system draws air in, then circulates it through your air ducting and distributes warm or cool air into every room of your house. It's a very efficient system. However, air is not the only thing being circulated through it. 93% of all particles such as dust, pet fur and dander, pollens, mold, tobacco smoke, and dust mite waste are drawn in and passed through the system. Over time, these particles collect, forming waste deposits that contaminate your air ducts. Whenever your heater or air conditioner is turned on, that waste is picked up by the passing air and blown through the vents into every room in your home. Though you can't always see them, these contaminants cause indoor air pollution, which can be harmful, causing allergic reactions and even serious respiratory illness. COIT's certified technicians are air duct cleaning specialists, trained in the latest technology called the push-pull method. Our system uses compressed air to push harmful contaminants towards a central location along the system. A high-powered suction device then pulls the waste from your ducts into a highly efficient filtration system designed to trap ultra-microscopic debris. Now you and your family can breathe easier, plus you'll have less dusting, vacuuming, and cleaning to worry about. With your new air duct filter installed, your heating and air conditioning system will operate smoothly and efficiently. COIT is a certified member of the National Air Duct Cleaning Association. Plus, all of our services are fully guaranteed. You can trust COIT to provide the care, professionalism, and superior services you've come to expect. Good people, great service, guaranteed results. That's the COIT Clean Promise. Call us today at this number, 1-800-4COIT, or enter your postal code here to schedule an appointment today.